Welcome to the traditional Aruban home by Surfside Beach. This home is not only a cost-effective alternative to the typical resort, but will also give you an authentic Aruban experience. Come join me on the tour. The living space has an open floor plan concept. The first part of it, the living room itself, this is where the couch, the 2 chairs, coffee table, and TV are located. TV is a 50-inch wall mount flat screen, cable ready, and Wi-Fi router is located right on that spot. As I pan around, you'll see there's a good size. Floors are ceramic tile, that's very typical for down here, and the living room feeds out to the front veranda. As we walk here towards the dining room, you'll see that it is a full-size dining room table. This seats 6 comfortably. And then over here is the cupboard with all the glasses, cups, plates, saucers, etc., wine glasses. There's silverware in the drawer. And then over here is the kitchen. The kitchen has this great ceramic tile bar. This is great space to work on. And there's also the following: microwave, coffee maker, crock pot. The kitchen has a full-size 4-burner gas stove and oven. There's also the teapot, double sink, and then with these drawers there's additional silverware and spatulas. Over here is the full-size fridge. It has obviously the freezer on the top and the fridge part on the bottom. As I pan around here, you'll see that underneath the bar is this cleverly designed area where here are the pots and pans, toasters, rice maker, over here, blender, knives, and additional paper products. Underneath is extra storage. Coming back into the living room area, we come to the front doors which lead out to this wonderful veranda right here. The master bedroom has a large king-size bed. Next to the bed are 2 night tables, each with its own lamp, and each lamp has a USB connection for convenient phone charging. As I pan around, you'll see that it gets great light. There's the suitcase holder and a large bureau with lots of drawers, a large mirror as well. In addition, there's a 40-inch screen wall-mounted TV, which is cable ready, and also over here you can see that it has additional storage in this closet. And finally, an AC unit with remote. Second bedroom, 2 full-size beds, night tables with lamps with USB connection for phone charging. Has great light in here, and it's good space, good size. Built-in closet, mounted mirror, suitcase holder, and there is additional space for the blow-up bed, which is also full size, so this can fit a 3rd occupant. This is the bathroom right here. Toilet, sink, medicine cabinet, and the shower is a walk-in. Right here it has the handheld and the overhead. Additionally, there's storage for soaps and other items. The front of the house faces Avenida Milo Cruz, and this is actually an interesting street. This is the main drag for the Carnival route. Some great wild aloe growing. It's very typical in Aruba, very famous for its aloe. As I pan around here towards the veranda, you see there's just a really special place here. Some wonderful outdoor furniture, this great little seating area, maybe a nice morning coffee. And then over here, this is more for outdoor eating. To do that, and then these beachy lounge chairs for sunbathing are also available. As I pan back towards the veranda, I wanted to mention that with these doors open, it creates a wonderful cross breeze inside. Aruba is famous for its trade winds. It's constantly blowing, and it makes it very, very comfortable temperature-wise in the shade. This is the back of the house right here. Over here is the door that actually comes in from the living room to this spot right here. Now this pad right here is underneath an awning. Its purpose is to keep shade on top of this area. By parking a car here, you can keep it from getting hot during the day, but you can also use this area for entertaining, as there is plenty of parking right here and right here. It's a fenced-in yard, and over time it's actually going to the old school method of building a cactus fence. So these are all growing in for the last decade, and eventually they'll fill in completely. This is the entryway from the back, and as I pan around towards the front, a lot of open space. And then this is the side door going into the kitchen area directly. As I walk towards the front, you see another angle of the veranda right here.